I mean, you have this mobile-friendly research dashboard for your medical research accelerator, and I want to learn how to do this for some of my templates. So if you could just walk me through what's going on here and how to actually do
Yeah,
this.
absolutely. So it's actually very easy to create. And the reason for creating it is because sometimes Notion pages aren't ideal to view on from your mobile device, even if Notion automatically makes it in order and kind of like reconfigures the page to make it as best as possible. It's just sometimes not the best. So
Right.
basically, I created this mobile friendly dashboard. What it is um, just the tasks for this is for research, right? So these are just tasks. These are the ones assigned to me and the ones that are currently due. And I use the list view of the database. And this is just a linked database of the master research task database to just show very simply the two tasks that are due and assigned to me. And it even says assigned to me. And then the next thing I did is a linked view of the projects database. And this is like maybe you're on the go and like you quickly want to look at something about your projects. This is just the most recent projects. This is ordered by the most recently edited, and it's in that order. And so it's just in that order of most recently edited. You can just quickly open up and view that page of the most recently edited project. So that's basically it. It's just the task and the projects shown in a kind of like an easy way to that's scrollable from your phone. And then the other thing is I didn't make it full width and I didn't make it small text. And that makes it easier for the mobile friendly dashboard as well.
Is there anything else that, so like, can you go through the actual main database so that we can take a look at how you actually adjusted it to fit this kind of mobile view?
Sure. So the normal database looks like this. Obviously, it's very much optimized for your desktop, and the research projects are broken up into different categories based on status. So return for revisions, writing manuscript, data collection in progress, and then these are like not started. So all the way not started, this is like, well into submission. And then these are the research tasks. And then you can see them in different views, all tasks, overdue tasks. And then right here, you have a calendar view of your research task. In fact, I'm actually just going to call this calendar view, so it's not confusing and it's just very clearly the calendar view. And then here I have the abstracts and presentations organizer, so that you can organize all the different conferences you want to submit to. Here I have just a brainstorming section where you can just put notes. And then here I have previous publications and presentations. And then here I have,
Oh,
pages.
dude, you have a back to top. How did you have that?
I think it's just a simple link. I linked it to the table of contents.
Oh, nice. Okay. So what I'm getting here is first, it seems like you basically took what is it that you actually need to see on a regular basis and just distilled it down to those elements for the mobile view, right? Like, because there's a lot going on here and it's
Right.
nice on desktop, but like, yeah, I can already imagine how like not good this would look on mobile. And so what I'm getting is you start with like, okay, let's distill it down to like, what are the things that you would just want to reference from mobile?
Okay, so just thinking about it, why would you, normally, why would you be looking at your research dashboard from your phone? My idea, my thought of that is, okay, I want to look at the tasks that are most pertinent to me, like the most time sensitive and that are assigned to me. So number one, you want to get a quick view of what tasks you need to do. Maybe you're on the go and you're just thinking about what you need to get done for your day. So you look at your tasks. And then number two, maybe you just you're talking to someone, you're on the phone with someone, or you're just thinking about, you have some sort of idea or thought or something you want to reference from your most recent project. So you just want a quick and dirty view of your most recent projects that you've been working on. You don't even want to see it in the list of the status. You just want to see the last edited project. You want to see in that order. And you just want to go and see something real quick, reference something real quick, or maybe just type up something real quick from your phone.
And then can we actually do an example here? So if you created a new page and did it from scratch, how do you actually what are the actual commands you use? Because just to make it clear for the audience that may be watching.
So basically just created a new page. So right here, created a new page right here. So let's do mobile dashboard part two. And then all I did is command linked view of the database, and I did research tasks, just like that. And I can copy an existing view, so maybe I can just do my task just like that. And then once I have that one done, I can also kind of delete, I can hide these so that I don't need,
Mm,
I don't need any extraneous information, hide and view. Hide and view, that's a due date. And then the next thing I can do is just another linked database. And then research projects. And then let's see. So I won't use this view. I'll actually use a list layout, and then I can organize it right here by layout. Let's see. Yeah, so the sort feature, what I can do is I can delete status. And what I'll do is I'll just do last edited and
mm.
save for everyone. And that's it. And then I need to remove the grouping. So I'll take out the grouping right here. Remove grouping, and there you go.
Oh, nice. Okay, yeah, that's nice and clean.
Yeah, that's it.
Cool. Thanks for walking through that. Appreciate it.